Hello class 2, how are you? I hope all of you are keeping well. Yes children, let us take out our value education book. This is our value education book, isn't it? Inspirations for life. So in the previous class, we were doing chapter number 4 of this book. And the name of the chapter was Time is Precious. Isn't it? Time is precious. And we have already completed page number 19. Isn't it? I have explained you the chapter. Now today we will do page number 21. Okay, Billy and Jack. Up to this much we have completed in the last class, and today we will do this part, and this is a story about Billy and Jack. On the topic, our topic is time is precious, isn't it? So I will read the story loudly, you will listen properly, and always carry a pencil in your hand. Okay, so if you find any difficult word, you can underline it, and afterward you can check it in the dictionary. Okay children, so everyone, are you all ready? Class 2, let's start. Okay, I am reading loudly for you. You also read it with me. Billy and Jack. Billy the fox and Jack the wolf were invited to a dinner party. On the way, they stopped for a while. Jack was very lazy. He said, Billy, the weather is pleasant. Let's rest for some more time. Billy, who was always very punctual, said, Jack, if we rest for some more time, we will be late. So let's move. Jack wanted to take more rest, so Billy left him and proceeded towards the venue. Okay, up to this I will explain you now. Now there were two friends. Okay, there was a friendship between a fox and a wolf, and the name of the fox was Billy and the wolf's name was Jack. Okay, once they were invited for a dinner party. Yeah, you all feel very happy when you are invited for some party like dinner party, birthday parties and all, isn't it? So they were very happy as they were invited for a dinner party. On the way, when they were going towards the venue, means towards the destination, they stopped for a while. And Jack was very lazy. Who was Jack? Jack was the wolf. Wolf was very lazy, very lethargic. So he said, Billy, the weather is pleasant. Now you can underline the word pleasant. Do you know the meaning of the word pleasant? Pleasant, weather was pleasant, means it was neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, it was a pleasant weather, enjoyable weather. Okay, so Billy said, the weather is pleasant. Let's rest for some more time. He wanted to take some rest. Billy, who was always very punctual, said, but Billy, the fox, was very punctual. So he said, Jack, if we rest for some more time, then we will be late. Then Billy said to Jack, Jack, if we take rest here some more time, then we will be late for the dinner party. So let's move, as Billy was very punctual. Punctual means what? To be on time. Okay, to do everything on time. Now, so Billy left him and proceeded towards the venue. So Billy, instead of sitting there and taking rest, he said, I'm leaving. And he left the place and he proceeded towards the venue, towards the destination where they were invited for the dinner party. Now, read with me. The cool breeze was blowing. Soon Jack was fast asleep, lying under a tree. After a few hours, when Jack woke up, he realized that he had slept for a long time. He rushed towards the venue. When he reached there, he found that the party was over. He was too late. He missed many things because he was not punctual. Okay, understood? Let me explain. So that day, as we know, that the weather was pleasant. It was a very pleasant weather. So, and he sat under the shade of a tree. Okay, Jack, the wolf, who was lazy. Then the cool breeze was blowing. Breeze means gentle wind. The cool breeze was blowing, and soon what happened? Jack was fast asleep there under the shade of the tree. But Billy left. Okay. Now, he lied under a tree. After a few hours, when he woke up, he realized that he had slept for a long time. Now, he rushed towards the venue. Now, he wanted to reach the venue. So, he was in a hurry. He moved very fast. But when he reached there, he found that the party was already over. He was too late. And he missed many things because he was not punctual. And Jack missed many things in the party. He couldn't attend the party. It was all over. Okay, when he reached because of his laziness. So, he missed many things because of his laziness. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? What have you learned from the story? We have learned that one should be very punctual. Otherwise, you will miss many things in your life. And afterward, you will only regret. And nothing could be done. Isn't it? So, be on in time. So, it is very important for us to follow the virtue of punctuality. Okay. So, from this chapter, you have learned that one should be very punctual, as time is precious. It will never come back to you, isn't it? And we know that time and tide wait for none, isn't it? So this is the story, and we have completed the chapter. Afterward, we will do the question answer, and I will write the question answers for you and send it for you, children. Okay. Now, whenever you will send any of your homeworks, please mention the name of the subject teachers. Whenever you will mail your answers, so don't forget to write the name of the subject and the name of the subject teacher. It will be easier for the subject teachers to correct or to check your copies or book. And the question answer we'll do in the CW copy. You must have made one CW copy for value education, isn't it? So there you will copy and send it for correction. Okay, thank you.